Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert Google Sheets into Google Docs. So in here, I have already opened my Google Docs and also the Google Sheets that I want to add into this docs. So actually, I already add the chart from this Google Sheets right here. So it's already linked, but I'm going to also add embed the Google Sheet in the Google Sheet into Google Docs. So what you need to do is just using the hyperlink feature. So I'm going to just type in the text first, tutorial, then just block the text. And in here, go to the Google Sheets first and then copy the link, click on share, and then copy the link of this Google Sheets right here. Click on copy link and go back to the Google Docs, still on the block word. Right click on it and then here click on the insert link, or you can also use the Ctrl+K shortcut. And after that, you can just paste the link in here and this will pop up, and after that click on apply. So when I click on this word, the link of this Google Sheet will pop up. So that would mean that I've already inserted the Google Docs into the Google Sheets into my Google Docs. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. Bye.